The Agile journey begins with hopeful ambitions, much like a ship setting sail. Yet, calm seas deceive as stormy waters lie ahead. In a sprint meeting, the Scrum Master juggles chaos like a captain amid a storm. Frustration brews as objectives clash and swirl clear. Agile frameworks promise order, yet real projects drift into confusion, like a compass gone awry. The team struggles to find its true north. Tasks pile up like waves against a ship's bow, threatening to overwhelm progress. The Scrum Master fights the tide, seeking balance. Communication falters as team members speak past one another, like sailors lost in fog. Misunderstandings cloud the Agile path. Dependency chains snare the project. As entangled as nets around the ship's hull, Agile becomes a labyrinth of obstacles. The Scrum Master searches for solutions like a lighthouse breaking through stormy night. Light shines on hidden strengths within the team. Transparency becomes the beacon that guides the team towards clarity and focus. Agile principles demand truth, much like a compass points north. Iterations become the rhythm of progress, steady as a heartbeat against the project's pulse. Each sprint channels momentum, driving forward. The team unites, their synergy growing as intertwined as the roots of an ancient tree. Agile thrives in the soil of collaboration and trust. Obstacles become stepping stones as the Scrum Master redefines challenges into opportunities. The vision sharpens, like a lens into the future. Celebrating small victories ignites motivation, like sparks catching fire in a quiet forest. Agile's success in real projects hinges on nurturing these flames. Finally, Agile processes elevate the team, lifting them like the tide raises all ships. Real-world challenges now fuel continued innovation and growth.